Did you know that your Sawgrass printer has the ability to print on paper beyond its normal size? We'll be showing you how this works with both SG500 and SG1000 printers with a few simple adjustments. Simply remove the printer's paper tray and you'll notice a few green tabs and buttons inside. By releasing the tabs on the left and the right sides, you can slide the bottom of the paper tray out to increase its height. For the Sawgrass SG500 printers, this will allow you to load up to 8.5 by 14-inch paper ready to print for larger items like long socks and tall photo panels. To lock in the height on either the SG500 or SG1000, be sure to match and press the green tabs into the appropriate slots inside the paper tray. When holding the green button down near the top of the tray, you can adjust its width to load either smaller media like mug-sized paper or larger papers ready for larger items. This allows for the Sawgrass SG1000 printers to hold up to 11 by 17-inch paper, perfect for items such as clipboards or tote bags, as well as for covering higher batches of smaller items like keychains and coasters. In addition, the SG1000 has a built-in paper tray shield, sliding out from above to protect your 11 by 17-inch paper from dust and residue. If you're looking to load much larger material, the SG500 and the SG1000 have their own bypass trays available. The SG500s can load longer media at 8.5 by 51 inches, while the SG1000s has an increased width at 13 by 51 inches. By having the option to load 13 by 19-inch paper onto the SG1000's bypass tray, this makes it ready to print for some of the largest desktop items, including signs and jigsaw puzzles. Installing the bypass tray is as simple as slotting one onto the back of the printer and restarting it for the printer and the computer to recognize. You can learn more about how to install one on the SG500 and SG1000 with our My Expert tutorial linked below. We also have more content on Sawgrass and sublimation in general at our YouTube channel or by visiting heatpressnation.com.